Welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to just show you a quick idea of how to make a card using some of the hand decorated papers that I have been doing. So I have started a series of decorated papers, and this particular one I made by a technique that is known as stamping off, using acrylic paints and rubber stamps to do this. Love the colors and things on here, so I've been very excited to be able to start a project. So what you will need now is just a piece of A5 card, color of your choice, which you can then just simply fold in half. I like to just line my hand up against the edges here and then just roll down with my fingers so that's nice and flat. Okay, so that's the beginning part of it. What I have done subsequent to that is to just simply take some strips of this colored paper that I've decorated. I've cut 3 different strips, the actual width of the card, and I have one white strip which has got happy birthday on. And very simply now I'm just going to assemble this. So I have already prepared this by putting double-sided tape on the back. Double-sided tape, if you don't know, it comes in a roll, it's sticky on both sides. Wonderful stuff. I don't know how we ever did without this. And so I just use my craft knife blade just to lift the edge of the tape up so that it's easy to do. I find this is easiest for me. It needs to be rubbed down quite securely in the corners, otherwise it's not an easy process. Right, so this is very easy, it's not messy, you're not going to get sticky, and I like to work with this. So now I'm going to just simply line this up with the edge of my card here, like so. Stick the one down. And now I'm doing the other strips. You don't have to be completely symmetrical with this. You could actually do asymmetrical strips, or you could differ the spacing. You could put them at angles, was what I mean by asymmetrical. So the second one I'm going to put just a few millimeters up, like that. And then the third one I'm going to put underneath. One of the things that I like to do is sometimes for birthdays for friends and family, I will just make a batch of cards for them. I know that it's a nice gift to get, and it certainly saves you time when you've actually had to suddenly produce a card. Okay, so I haven't put them exactly evenly spaced. They're similar but not exactly the same, and that is deliberate. And now I'm going to just take off this double-sided tape from my sentiment here. I'm not a fussy card maker when I do get there, so I like to just have something very simple. Just decide where you want to place your sentiment, like so. And there you go. I'm very happy with that. A lovely card, very, very simple, and made with hand decorated papers, easy to do. I hope you have fun, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye for now.